world's top 10 eco-friendly cities. Copenhagen. The city offers a high quality of life for its residents and has an ambitious goal to become even more eco-friendly. Amsterdam. You may associate the city with cycling, as it is the main type of transportation. Stockholm. 14 islands and more than 50 bridges, this location has made its fair share of improvements to help its citizens lead a more sustainable lifestyle. Vancouver. Vancouver is located in a perfect setting between the ocean, forest and mountains. Vancouver has recognized that its environmental footprint. London. One might think of foggy London town as a green city, but the town has worked to leave its bleak, reducing green gas emission. Berlin. With the rise in electric vehicles, Berlin has installed more than 400 charging points across the city. New York. The greenest large city in U.S. Its greenhouse gas emissions are low for a city size, and its population relies heavily on public transportation. Singapore. Asia's greenest city tackled the problem head-on, creating its first Singapore Green Plan in 1992 to tackle clean water, clear air and clean land. Helsinki. One of the biggest contributors to Helsinki's economy is tourism, which has led to an increase in eco-friendly accommodation. Oslo. The city government has its sustainable development, which includes an aggressive program to protect its natural surroundings.